Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Tangkula Bathroom Cabinet, a versatile wall-mounted storage solution that combines functionality with style. This cabinet is perfect for any room in your home, whether it's the bathroom, bedroom, living room, or kitchen, featuring double mirror doors that enclose a shelf and an open shelf for displaying towels, soap, tissues, or even decorative items like small plants. Its space-saving design allows you to maximize your room's potential by mounting it on the wall or over the toilet, providing extra storage without sacrificing valuable floor space. Crafted with a simple and stylish design, the Tangkula cabinet adds a modern touch to your home while offering convenient storage for towels, medicines, or tableware. The cabinet is designed with a waterproof finish, making it ideal for humid environments like bathrooms or toilets. Assembly is a breeze, thanks to the included accessories and a clear, easy-to-understand manual, allowing you to quickly set up and start using your new cabinet. Enhance your home's organization and style with the Tangkula Bathroom Cabinet, a perfect blend of practicality and elegance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.